There's no need to pair the thermostat to the receiver, as it comes already paired, and it won't lose pairing during normal use due to its reliable 2.4 GHz network. If, however, you carry out a factory reset on the thermostat, you will need to repair the units as follows. First of all, turn off the power to the receiver for 10 seconds and then turn back on again. Make sure then that the switches on the receiver are set to the left-hand position, and then with the top switch go off, on, off, on. Then go to your thermostat menu and scroll down until you find Pair with Receiver. Select Tick and Yes. Your thermostat will now pair to the receiver within 10 minutes, after which you will receive a message saying pairing successful, and you can then start using your thermostat.